If you want to put a screenshot from your computer into a work plan, this is how you might do it. I'm going to create a new process here. Let's call it following up leads from Capterra. And then I'm going to create a work plan. And we'll just call it following up leads from Capterra. And the first step is to log into our Infusionsoft account. And let's say to do that, you need to click here. So let's just take a screenshot of that. And save it. And now we just click where we want the screenshot to go and click this little icon here, which is Insert Image. And we locate the image right here. It uploads and we click Insert. And voila, it is right there. So if we wanted to see what this looks like from the control panel, let's assign this process to the VP of Sales. And I think I am in this system as the VP of Sales. So if I was looking at the process here, following up leads from Capterra, this is what I will see. Okay, hope that helps.